Hello, in this video I will show you how to create sample groups. To select a sample, click on the cell with the sample name. Selected cells will change the color to orange. To select all the samples, click here. Click again to remove the selection. After selecting the cells, click on the Add Group icon at the left. On the top of the Groups menu, a new group with the selected samples will be created. Click on the Group cell at the Groups menu to see the samples inside a group. To change the color of the group, click on the color circle at the left and choose a new color. To change the name of a group, double-click the group name and change it. If you want to add samples to a group that already exists, select the samples and then click on the Add Samples at the right of the group name. To remove a group, click on the trash icon at the right of the group name.